Kamukha niya.
Sino?
Nanay Pacquiao.
Your ambition in life is to become a versatile public servant. Are you a public servant? Are you a public official?
Yes, sir. I am a speaker ng bawat barangay.
What is your barangay, by the way?
Santa Maria, sir.
So you're the SK chairman of Santa Maria, Lawag City.
Bring.
My question is this.
Pasukin?
Why is your
Sa bali,
favorite
dito
color
nagkagayalo
yellow?
ka na na edi.
Yellow because it reflects my beauty right now, ladies and gentlemen. The light blue and the light gives me. The yellow reflects, symbolize the light comes from me. Because ladies and gentlemen, this pageant, this is my first time in the history as a yellow. And our president right now is a color yellow, Mr. Aquino is the president. So, right now, yellow is my blooming day. Blooming that we can rain our lives to be shine and rain your lives to become a fullness and a goodness. That's all. Thank you.